This is the Jackie Robinson Rotunda elevator at Citi Field. And it's here already. Almost dropped my phone. I don't feel like dropping my phone right. Hopefully we get nobody. Oh, that's the door open. Jeez. Hopefully there's nobody here. Or nobody will. Jeez. Sorry.
The wrong floor?
Yeah.
What floor are you looking for?
I was trying to go up to 5, but I took the wrong one on
Take
accident.
the sets of elevators. Take the sets of elevators to your left.
Okay,
There's 2
thanks.
elevators.
Thanks. Listen. What the? That thing certainly scrapes. That thing just illuminates when it wants to. Alright, well that's it.